Hi friends, welcome to our channel. And in this video, I will show you how you can make the text on your iPhone larger in Safari application. Please subscribe to our channel, put likes, don't forget to write comments at the end of the video. Let us get started with you. So first of all, let's go into your phone settings. Next, scroll a little bit to go to the control center. After that, you'll need to find a shortcut called text size. And if you have it at the bottom, then you'll need to add it by clicking on the green plus next to it. And as you can see, this shortcut immediately moved to the shortcuts that we already have in our control center. Now you can exit the phone settings. Next, you open Safari. And here, in order to enlarge the text, you will need to swipe down from the top right side. You go to the control center of your iPhone. Next, you tap on the text size shortcut. And here you can choose to either only zoom Safari or you can choose to zoom all apps at once. So since we only want to maximize Safari, I think I'll leave it at that. And then you'll have a scale like this where you can increase and decrease the size of your text. For example, if you increase it to 190%, then you'll exit. You can immediately notice the difference between what the text was and what it is now. And you can do the same thing in the opposite direction, for example, to make it smaller. As you can see, the text has shrunk. So in this very simple way, you can make the text in Safari app either larger or smaller on your iPhone. I really hope this video helped you and was useful to you. So please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also put your likes, write your comments, and see you soon.